Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to another wallet. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. Once you're done, all you have to do is open your Binance wallet, and then from here you're going to go to the portfolio section. Then from here you're going to search for the coin that you would like to transfer, such as USDT, and then from here you can take out. Now from here you can click on withdraw, and then as you can see, address, network, and withdrawal amount. To get that, all you have to do is open another wallet. So we're going to choose whatever other wallet here, such as Trust Wallet. And from here all we have to do is click on receive. Just like any other wallet, it's going to be the exact same. Click on USDT. And from here, as you can see, this is my wallet address. We're going to copy it, go back to Binance, and then here we're going to paste it. Then you're going to select whichever network is most suitable. So usual BNB Smart Chain is good, and then whatever amount you would like. And then once you click withdraw, it will withdraw it to the other wallet instantly. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.